Understanding bump the ball, a fun phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, bump the ball. This phrase is not just about sports. It's a vibrant part of the English language with interesting uses and meanings. Let's dive in and understand it better. Bump the ball originates from sports, specifically volleyball. In volleyball, bumping refers to a basic skill where a player uses their forearms to pass the ball to a teammate or over the net. It's a fundamental move that every volleyball player learns. This literal action of pushing or directing the ball upwards is key to understanding the phrase's metaphorical uses. In everyday language, bump the ball can take on a figurative meaning. It's often used to describe the action of moving a project or task along, especially when progress has stalled. For instance, if a team is working on a project and someone says, "We need to bump the ball on this," they're essentially saying, "Let's move this forward or give it a push." Let's see how this phrase works in different contexts. 1. Workplace. Our marketing strategy needs some fresh ideas. It's time we bump the ball and get creative. 2. Personal projects. I've been procrastinating on my blog. This weekend, I plan to bump the ball and write a few posts. 3. Team sports. Besides volleyball, in basketball or soccer, a coach might say, "Come on, bump the ball," encouraging players to keep the momentum going. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. Phrases like, "move the needle," "push the envelope," or "keep the ball rolling," also suggest progress, innovation, or maintaining momentum in various contexts. So, there you have it. Bump the ball is more than just a sports term. It's a versatile phrase used to describe progression and action in various aspects of life. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding and you'll feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, learning English is like playing volleyball. Sometimes you just need to bump the ball and keep it in play. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.